Are you looking to add a little more privacy to your bedroom? Did someone move out of your house and you need to swap your locks? In this video, we'll cover how to change out a door handle. And away we go. Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So we just recently painted our front door and decided it was time to update the hardware that was on it. So I went down to my local hardware store, I bought a knob and deadbolt combo, and I figured I'd make some videos on how to do the swap. The parts required will be the new hardware and a Phillips head screwdriver for removing the old hardware and installing the new hardware. I'm going to break this into two videos to save time for folks who are only looking to swap one. So if you're looking for the other one, you can check that out on my channel as well. But hey, let's get to it.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the old door handle. It has two screws on it, one on the top, one on the bottom. So I'm just going to unscrew those. I'll fast forward that part so you don't have to watch it. Then I'll show you guys how to just remove the pieces. Alright, so we just pull that one off. Alright, opening the door, just reach around, pull out the other side, and then just use my hand and push out the catch mechanism. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the latch piece and you're going to want to put that into the hole. You want it to be curved side towards the door jamb. May take a little bit of effort to get it into spot. But I've got it in there good now. Alright, now that we have the latch in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my exterior door handle and I'm going to line it up. Got the angled hole in here. I can press this to make that hole a little bit bigger. One of the reasons I really like these kwikset that I'm using is I just put it on like that. I have the screws on the outer already. I twist that and it latches in. I push it and I tighten. Not all doors will have that. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my exterior door piece in. Got that out. Again with these kwikset with the easy latching. Line up the curved part here onto the curved part there. These I just and now all I have to do is tighten the screws down. I'm pressing from the back side and putting pressure with my thumb on the one that I'm screwing in. And as I turn that, it goes. Try the lock. It's not moving. Let's make sure it latches. And we are done.
All right, so there you have it, guys. Swapping out that lock yourself is something that you can do. It's a very easy to do home improvement project. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Leave comments down below on videos you'd like to see us make. Subscribing to our channel helps our channel grow, and ringing the bell will give you notifications when we upload new content. It is a crazy world out there, so please be safe. Be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.
We'll be right back.